Today we're at Rad Invitational 2025, hosted by Scott and Bobby. This is the 4th year in a row they've done this. So a little backstory on this event. They started it during COVID when Radwood got canceled, and they decided, let's start our own event. So I love these type of events because they're small, very personable, everybody's chill. It's just a really good time. The weather was beautiful, and I was super excited about this one. So I'm just gonna walk around, show you what was there, talk to some really good car enthusiasts, and I just wanna throw it out there. I did take a ride in the black Callaway ZR1. That video is coming soon. Shout out to Scott for doing that. I can't wait to show everybody, so stay tuned for that video, probably in the next couple weeks. Oh, it's a Cobra motor, not a small block. Nice. Man, this thing is cool.
I like the way it is.
NSX.
Because most of them came.
Nice car. Robin CTSV. I don't know what it makes, but I know it makes a lot of power. Man, it's so cool. Later.
He was like, oh, that's why. I'm like,
Yeah. So my dad's truck does. Probably sounds worse.
We have trucks at work that we drive like that, and they're old ass each other.
Callaway Supernatural.
Who was that? Was it Mercury Marine? Was it a joint venture on this motor, or was it Lotus?
Lotus designed it, and
Lotus? Yeah.
Mercury Marine built it, supposedly.
They definitely.
Yeah.
Oh, the motor over here.
Wow, okay.
These LT5 are so cool. How you doing? It's good seeing you. I was here last year.
Oh, Mike.
Shane.
Yeah, good to see you. And then the dark blue port gen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. I remember seeing it last year. It's a nice car.
Thanks.
Other Callaway Supernatural. I think this is this an Arista? Is that what it is?
I've seen that in air show a couple of times. Okay.
Oh yeah, it is an Arista. Nice. Super wheels. 2J. So 427. It is twin turbo.
You know a lot about it. LSs and stuff.
And
ERL.
turbos are down there, hidden.
That's the same.
Yeah, because they did the super deck
Yes, correct.
Damn.
I don't know if they're still. No, they're completely out of business. Actually, I bought the
Seems badass.
Oh, wow.
He said it was the API, what, test car?
Yeah,
Test mule?
the test mule, the API test mule.
Yeah. It's pretty sick.
But you had to import it. Where's API at?
I'm not sure where API is.
Based out of.
I don't know where they're based out of, but yeah, he said he had to import it. I don't know much about them. I've heard about the company, but I don't know much about them. So, yeah, API test car. Somebody knows where they're out of because he said he imported it. Let me know. Bobby's Corvette. Eric's Supra. And what is this, a Land Cruiser, I believe? Japanese spec. Seen a lot of his reels on like IG pulling this car, but he does drive this car. I know some people have said, oh, you don't drive your Supra in the comments, you always tow it everywhere. No, he does drive it. I've seen him drive it multiple times. He just likes having both of them here because that's a gangster ass combo. So he's cool. It's Camaros. So he was here last year.
Yeah. Dude, that color is amazing. Yeah. Like, it's a color like, hey, I'm going to paint it. Whose car this is?
No, I don't know. I've never seen it.
See the aftermarket dash pad that they always crack. That one's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's an aftermarket one. I've never seen that.
Pretty badass Gladiator. His Blazer. I love the welds. That is cool. I like the, I guess, the ZR1 blades. I guess that's what those are. It's pretty cool. Another OBS. This Mercury is so badass. He was at a Retrofest too.
That's my shit box. That's my race truck, shift box, daily driver.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Hits cows.
It hits cows, yeah, so
It's real good in hailstorms.
it's really good in hailstorms, correct?
I've had it painted twice in a year.
Yeah, so
I've had 2 cow induction hoods in a year.
yeah, so this truck has been on the channel before. This was the OG truck. If you watch my stuff, you remember this truck. So yeah, I did show this thing when we picked it up about what, maybe a year ago. It was
July
4th of July weekend. That's when we picked it up, and we were waiting on the grill. So then the grill got ordered, and he was waiting on him to bring it back. And then in the meantime, a bunch of cows got out in front of him. Luckily, he was not going, 60 miles an hour. Were you doing about 30 or something?
30, 40, yeah.
So yeah, it messed up the front end. So he had to get another new hood, and finally got the grill on. So this looks pretty nasty.
I had extra time yesterday, so I actually wiped it down.
So yeah, Gen 3 Coyote, extended cab, 4-wheel-drive, Whipple 2.9, and what was it, a 3.625, I think?
3.625 upper,
Yep.
Cook's long tubes, catless, Cook
Yep.
catless wide pipe, and Borla Type S exhaust.
Yep. I think it had D-Twerk 1000s injectors.
Yep.
93 right now.
Yeah.
So Maybe one day we'll get a fuel system in here. Yeah, I wouldn't. That's why I don't daily my Mustang. You know, the E85 every day with fuel system.
I wouldn't mind not dailying this one. It almost has 70,000 miles on it. It's making me a little sad. I bought it with 19 and 21.
They're ZR1, I think. Yep. It's kind of cool seeing them both together. You can tell the difference in just how wide the Supernatural is. Stevens Subaru.
They don't even have fittings.
So just to recap on this car, it's been on here before on my channel, driven it, it's wonderful. So it's a 98 RS and it has a 2005 complete STI swap. Always cool seeing this car. Bobby's Eagle Talon 2G. What's crazy about this car is, I found out last night, it's a 7-bolt still. So that's kind of cool. Alright, I heard this Nova pull up. Damn.
I feel like this is our best turnout, but Scott said he feels like it's been about the same before. I know, for a house, where's the other one? House car show, right? Right.
Car guy, if you tell him you're in no hurry, he'll sit over in his shop. I don't know on something European like that. That's a good question.
Hey, hi. How have you been?
Good.
I've barely seen you.
I know. I went up there for a bit.
Oh man, it's a manual? Damn. Holly EFI. God, I think so cool.
It's hot.
Said they're going to get more margaritas.
It's a good little car for a margarita run.
Hell yeah. Dang.
Good